Here we have a 2014 Volkswagen Up. It's fitted with the 1 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine and it's got roughly 48,000 miles on the clock. One of the service items we're going to change on this Volkswagen Up is the cabin filter, sometimes called a pollen filter or an odour filter. It's actually located behind the glove box up underneath. It's in this area here. This is the housing where the cabin filter is located. We need to remove this bottom panel, and there's actually 2 tabs. They're a little bit difficult to see, but there's one here and one here, either side. Put your finger and thumb up there, squeeze them together, and that will come down. You should be able to see this filter here, which has probably got quite a bit of debris in it. Now you usually have a direction of airflow on these filters. Doesn't look like this one has. Here's the panel that I've released. So you can see the 2 tabs there. They're the ones I was squeezing in to pull this end down. Then once that end's down, you can pull it towards you and that tab will come out of the slot. So we can see that's the same size, which is good. And you can see that one's a bit dustier than the new one. And also, as I said, there is a direction of airflow, so we need to make sure we get it round the right way. So when you look underneath the dashboard, you can see where the ducting comes in from the outside of the car, up near the wiper panel, but it comes down, round, through the filter, so therefore the airflow arrows need to point towards the centre console and the airbox. Goes through the filter into the airbox and comes out of your dash vents. Before you push that back in, you might want to make sure there's no debris. That doesn't look too bad. Some of these I've seen have been absolutely chock-a-block with leaves and bits and pieces. But naturally it will all drop out when you pull the filter out the bottom. So that looks as clean as we need to get it. I'm just going to line this up with the slot. It should just push back in. That's it. And grab this, locate this tongue at the back here first. Which goes up into the slot, and this should, in theory, just clip back in. Ah, that's it. Lovely.